My dear brothers and sisters, I hope you doing well. I see the price on below MA 50 in H4 time frame and market showing clear downtrend. Price successfully passed over the low BB, and also there we have strong bearish structure where price want to be dropped further. After install awesome oscillator, we have divergence setup in lower time frames like M15. This will give us confirmation the price will make a reversal or pullback here. Also, we have drop base drop. My first take profit area will be previous support line. If price manage to break this support line, price can drop even further. This is very much possible when price is on strong downtrend. Okay, let's see what will happen to this setup. Price has dropped about 15 pips only, but my target is nearest support area.
2,000 years later.
Okay, price dropped more than 50 pips now. My profit is $30, not much because my positions are small lot sizes. I'm looking to grow this small account. I will close all the positions and take profits because price is in at demand zone. This is all for today's video and thank you for watching this video.